In the last episode, I restored and protected this pretty hard to find rear reinforcement bar with Eastwood's Rust Encapsulator, and I tested out the Rust-Oleum Turbo Can for an extra added layer of protection. My name is Erica,
and I don't really know what the hell I'm doing.
And this is the Del Sol DIY Restoration Project brought to you by Resin Co. With the rear reinforcement bar protected and painted, I decided that I would try to remove the old rusty one by myself after I painted the entire undercarriage of the car. There'll be a future episode on that coming out soon. But when removing the old bar didn't go as planned, I called my good friend Jerry for some help.
Yes! This bolt in particular.
Ain't gonna work
Why?
if you're using Toys R Us gun.
Stop, Toys R Us. Out of here, Toys R Us.
Touch it.
No, it's hot.
With the correct impact gun, Jerry was able to remove all 4 bolts with no problem.
Yeah, if you film over here, that's all the road that came out without doing this.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
No.
Ready to rumble? Nope.
Emotionally, I'm not ready.
So, if you guys want a car from North,
Yeah, New York.
this is New York for you.
Yep.
There's no way you're gonna be able to save this shit.
No.
It's separating already.
Yep. Damn.
You would have to literally take this off, drill all this out, take the shit off, work the rust out, and weld it back on.
No thanks.
Behind that rusty, crusty reinforcement bar was a surprisingly clean rear end. And just to make sure that that area stayed rust-free, I added a coat of Eastwood's Rust Encapsulator onto the surface. And then Jerry showed me how to properly paint a car surface with a spray can so that I could have some practice before I spray painted the entire car. Super satisfying to watch and to do, for sure. You know what else is super satisfying to watch? Resin pouring, especially when it's creating the perfect background for your favorite car and one of our wall art pieces. This series is sponsored by me, Resin Co. Whether you're looking to preserve your passion for your own car or you're looking for the perfect gift for the car lover in your life, check out resinautoco.com. There are lots of models to choose from, or if you want something custom, I can do that too. All right, back to the Del Slow. With the area all protected, it was time to install the new restored rear reinforcement bar. The turbo can sprays out super fast and super thick. As a result, the threads in the rear reinforcement bar got covered with paint, so Jerry had to rethread the holes in order to get the bolts back in. Once that was done, the bolts were screwed back in, and voila, a fully restored rear end and rear reinforcement bar. Jerry had some extra time, so we decided to sand down this chemical reaction caca with the BA before we finished up for the day. Make sure that you're subscribed so that you don't miss next week's episode of the Del Sol DIY Restoration Project. Thanks for watching.